Hello guys. I just want to show you, I have this idea of like now we can see all the mutations or the changes to state in the debugger. But we have this concept of services, and I would like to show that in the debugger as well. And we can actually do that because currently the way the debugger can read all the state is because whenever an action is triggered, the state mutation methods are wrapped. And whenever a mutation method is called, that those arguments will be put on the action itself, that specific action. Currently, I think this actually happens in production as well, which it shouldn't. So we have room for optimizations there. But the thing is that services are really no different. They are also just methods, and we can attach the arguments to the action as well. And this allows us to get even more insight into how our application runs. So I'm working on this application here, and let's see, I can refresh. No, new fleet, there we go. And I can add something here, hey, and I can save it. And the thing is that, oh, of course I have to refresh. Let's see. Let me change something here and save it. I don't have that much room because I'm recording on a low resolution, but let's see what's happening here. Okay, so the point is, when I opened up this application, I have a bunch of stuff going on here. Lots of different actions. And then we get down here to, I'm using this entities module. I'm going to talk more about that. And then I have this asynchronous action here, get fleet. And it actually triggers a service. So I can actually see that I triggered a service on an action called Ajax, and it ran the get method. And it passed a URL here. So you see that actions has this save icon. It's kind of fun. And then you have this wheel, this cog here for services. And I think this is something we should do. Like we should state that services are methods. And of course, you can have like a service can be an object with methods under it. Like we can take care of that. But yeah, I think this would improve the debugger even more so that you can clearly see when services has been called. And again, like fleet name changed. Yeah, so when I submit a new fleet, again, we can see that I'm changing some state here. And then I'm posting a fleet, and it's doing a post request, which has two arguments. It has the URL, and we can see the data passed to it. And this is especially with Ajax, just knowing what data did you actually pass to the service and stuff like that. I think this is, yeah, I think we should do this. But of course, we have to take all the feedback and see what we will actually do with it. But yeah, that's how it looks right now. And yeah, please give feedback and we'll decide upon using it or not.